you know, if you have any questions, you know, just hit me up, and, you know, who knows, I might hook you up with this hairstyle and do it and help you get your hair done like this. Hey guys, it's your girl Joanna. I'm back with another video. Today I'll be talking to you guys about my new do. Do you guys love it? Because I'm loving it. It's nice, it's summery, it's fun. Yeah, and I did this all by myself, guys. But anyway, so yeah, this is my crochet half up, half down curly hairstyle. I think so I'm gonna call it. Actually, I didn't just come up with this by myself. I watched another YouTuber's video and I kind of got inspiration from that and like recreated it. I'll link her video down below. I don't remember her name right now. Like, I'm drawing a blank. And she did this hairstyle. It's a braidless crochet, so it's crocheted, but like there's no braids in my hair whatsoever. I think I did a pretty banged up job. I had limited time. I did this within like about 45 minutes, maybe less, because I was going to my best friend's graduation and I wanted to do my hair real quick. So the hair I use is the rest of my Jamaican bounce hair. I don't have like the label anymore because I threw it out because I was done with the hair. But I did it's Jamaican bounce crochet curls. I used a pack and a half. So like of this color, of the 4 of like the brown color you see, like this is number 4. I used 1 full pack of that, and I used like half a pack, a little over half a pack for this. So it's a pack and a half. I think I definitely though could have used a lot more, like more hair in the back to make it fuller, because there are some places where it's sparse, but I think I did a nice job. I didn't really trim it because the girl in the video, she like trimmed the top and made it more like a poof, and mine's more like, oh, I just half up and I just like let it down. The great thing about this is I did not braid my hair whatsoever, so you could even do this at home yourselves. My hair is not braided. It's in 3 bun ponytails, right? There's a bun ponytail like right here, there's a bun ponytail here, and a bun ponytail here, and then I just like braided the hair and like wrapped it around, and then I put like hair on the bun and around it. So like if you look at the sides, like you'll see where the crochet is and how like I separated it, but the hair at the top kind of like hid the part, so that's actually really good. But on the side, if I didn't do like the best job, it's like it was gonna get covered anyway. I did this, like I said, 45 minutes. Like if you look at the back though, like I didn't do this whole entire part, and like right here you can see that I didn't braid it, that it's separated into 2. It's like 2 buns, like here's the bun and here's the bun. I don't know if you guys see that, but yeah, I feel like I could have definitely put more hair like down below, but like I had very limited time, and I was using leftover hair, like I didn't use brand new hair. But I separated them and spread them out a lot, but I like how it looks. It's very fun and summery and cute, and everybody was like, oh my gosh, did you get your hair done? And it's like, no, I did it myself. The next time I do this though, I'll definitely be filming a tutorial for you guys on how I did and how, you know, advice for you guys how to do it. I moisturized my hair underneath this, and I put a little gel at the top. But this is more like a quick something to keep on my hair for 2 weeks. My favorite part about this hairstyle is though, it was easy. It was super easy. It took me like less than an hour, and it's very fun. Like it's very like summery, fun, and like bouncy and everything, and it's just full of life. I think it definitely fits my personality. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll definitely be doing more hair videos in the summer. Like probably like hairstyles or like more reviews about my hair and like who did them and what happened to them or whatever. But anyway, I love you guys. I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Catch a wave on us. Take a shot, make a friend, just enjoy the moment. I'm blue sky walking on these haters. Celebrate every day like a bird.